back with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and on this video we are going to try one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So let's have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. Let's try it with these following apps. We have here our built-in music player on our Android smartphone. We also have here the Spotify, YouTube, and then YouTube Music. So let's see if it will work with these four applications. If you are interested to see how the Bluetooth music control function works with our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's try and have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. So we have here the smartphone. Let's see if there are some settings for the Bluetooth music control function. So we have notifications and calls, fitness and health. We do have here the apps. We have the music here, as you can see. Let's see if there are some settings. So control phone playback from device. Everything is okay here. We are set. So let's try and have a demo of this Bluetooth music control function. So let's open the Bluetooth music player here. And we have here this 4 songs or 4 audio. So let's start with the first one. Again, as you can see here, when we open the Bluetooth music player, the Bluetooth music control function here automatically switch on or activated. We have the title, we have the volume adjustment, as you can see, go forward and backward. So let's play the music. Let's try. Pause. Okay, adjust the volume. It's a bit loud. Let's see if we can adjust it here. Yes, we can adjust the volume, as you can see. Go back, play. Next. Next song. Next. Over the horizon. Stop. Go back. Go back and play. So the response is not that fast, as you can see, but so far it works. Adjust volume. It's not that fast compared to the light and active smartwatch, but it's okay, it works. Stop, and that's it. Okay, so far it works with our built-in music. So it works with our built-in music player. Okay, next let's have the Spotify app. Okay, so we adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Let's go with a Bruno Mars song. Okay, so it did not switch. But anyway, let's see. Yes, it switched here, as you can see. We have the title of the song as well as the singers. Okay, the next. Will it work? Okay, this is just an ad. Next. This will play after the ad. Okay, so let's wait for the ad to finish. As you can see, we do have a progress bar something here. Okay, the next song. Yes, it works so far. Next. And stop. Yes, it works. So it works with the Spotify app. So that is very good, and it automatically switch to the new applications as you can see here on the Smartband. Next, let's have the YouTube. Okay, I guess we can increase the volume here. So let's pick a video here on our smartphone. How about this one? Okay. Next. Yes, it works so far. Next. Stop. Go back. Adjust the volume. Go back. Stop. Play. Yes, it works with our YouTube applications as you can see here. So far, we did not encounter any issues with the YouTube app. Again, let's adjust the volume here. Let's go with a music player here, the YouTube Music app, and let's adjust the volume again to avoid any copyright issues. Anyway, you can still see it here when it changes. Then let's play. You Needed Me, as you can see here, it changes the title changes here with the singer. So it is a bit slow, but so far it works. Okay, so it's working. Next, On the Wings of Love. Next, yes, it works also. Next, stop, go back, and play. Okay, so it depends upon, I guess, yes, that's it. I guess it also depends upon your internet connectivity. But obviously, it's a bit slow for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. If you compare it with the Lite as well as the Smartwatch Active and the first one, the Xiaomi Smartband 9. But so far, the Bluetooth music control function works with our Android smartphone. Okay, so that's it for the demo of the Bluetooth music function of the Xiaomi Smartband 9. And as you can see, once you close the app, it also automatically turns off. Okay, so hopefully we provided you some information about the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Bluetooth music control function. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!